Hi, I'm Joe from Smarter Home Canada. This is my house and we're just trying to make it a little smarter. Today, we just got this. This is the Govee curtain lights. Really excited to try this one out as it's going to replace some fairy lights that we just have sitting in a window. This is going to make it much better. Okay, now I'm just going to flip it over. You've got two open tabs here, which are really nice. Let's see what we've got. Okay, so a card that is going to show some samples there. User manual, we'll get to that. Let's get connected. I already have the Govee app. Looks like doesn't want to come in. There we go. Power supply. There we go. So your plug in there. Looks pretty easy to connect up. These must be the lights themselves. Go. Oh, okay. Looks like a good long cord, which is nice. That'll connect up to there. And then we have all these lights we're gonna have to sort out. So first things first, I'm just gonna connect it up. Now the big thing is going to be untangling this and hanging it up, so we'll get to that next. This is the window we are going to be installing on. It is the front window in our house. As you can see, we already have some fairy lights put up, but we are going to give this one major upgrade. Now it looks like there's three different ways you can install these. There's hooks, there's nails, there's stickers, 3M just double-sided stickers from the looks of it there. I don't know if I'm going to be using these in any of my setups. I guess every place is different, but they give you plenty of options. After looking at my setup, I noticed none of the three options were really good options for me. So what I did, Govee had these little strips holding the lights together. I'm just going to use those, attach those to the board. So I've got one here, one in the center, one on the other end, and then when I put the curtain rod back up, I'm just going to tape, use some Scotch tape and just make sure that everything is in place. That seemed like the easiest thing to do for my setup. Now that the lights are all installed, let's wait till tonight and see how it looks. This is how it looks at the outside at night. We've got some bubble patterns going on, which look really nice, very spectacular from the further you get away. Our neighbors are all loving this. We also have some flashing stars. There's plenty of options, meteorites, as what you see there. So play around with it. There's lots of fun things to do. It also will make the inside of your house look pretty cool. I'll be back shortly with a new smart home automation or product to show you. Thanks for watching a Smarter Home Canada.